Hello and welcome. We are now inside of ThriveCard.com, and we're here because it's one of the ways that you are going to be able to collect names and email addresses of the individuals that are purchasing your membership. Now, you are going to want to do this regardless of which shopping cart you're going to be using, whether you use the shopping cart of an affiliate network or you use your own shopping cart such as ThriveCart. What you'll see within ThriveCart is there's an area where you can integrate autoresponders to your shopping cart. Once you've integrated your autoresponder with your shopping cart, that means then that the autoresponder will be available inside of any product in your sales process. So for example, if you were using ThriveCart for your sales process, you would make sure that at the point of purchase, which in ThriveCart is the behavior area, that you'd be able to add a process, which ThriveCart calls a rule, where when the product is purchased, the individual is going to be added to a specific autoresponder list that you have integrated with your shopping cart. Now, depending on which membership platform you use, you can also capture a name and email address when an individual signs up for your membership site or is signed up for your membership site. For example, right now we are inside of Wishlist Member, and this is a WordPress-based membership platform. And basically what we would do is to make sure that our email service provider is going to be connected to our membership platform. That means then that when an individual is signed up for a specific product, or in this case in Wishlist Member it would be a level, we want to have that individual automatically added to an email marketing list that we've integrated with our membership platform. Now inside of Wishlist Member, this would mean then that you would configure each individual list to the autoresponder that you want. So for example, we can go to a specific product, we can then choose a specific list, and because we are working within the MailChimp integration, we know that this individual will be added to this individual list. We can determine that if an individual is removed from this level in Wishlist Member, we can then have that individual removed from the email marketing list. Now these options fail, what we can do is to place an opt-in box inside of our member area on the page where the individual is going to be when they are using the product. In this case, you'll notice that our autoresponder is integrated already. That means we can choose a specific list, and when the individual chooses to place their name and email address in, they're going to be added to the list that we specify. And this is something that you can do inside of any page that you create for your membership. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.